Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification for new updates. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve 5 problems based on trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So our first problem is sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. So here we have to substitute the value of trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degree. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Here the denominators are same. We can take it common and now we can add the numerators. 1 plus 1 we will get 2 root 2. Now in place of 2 we can write root 2 whole square by root 2, because if we cancel square and root you will get 2 as it is. So now here root 2 whole square means we can write it twice. Root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. Then root 2 will be our answer. Therefore, sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees is equals to root 2. So for first one we got the value root 2. Now we are going to solve 5 problems. So our next problem is, I have copied the question over here. Cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. Secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 value is 2 by root 3. Now root 3 same denominators. We are going to write 1 by root 2 in the numerator. In denominator, same denominators means we can take it common. Now we can add the numerator 2 plus 2. Then 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 we will get 4 by root 3. Now we are sending 4 by root 3 in the numerator. So we have to write 4 by root 3 as root 3 by 4. 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. Here we have written the reciprocal of 4 by root 3 as root 3 by 4. Now 1 into root 3, root 3. Root 2 into 4, 4 root 2. So this is our answer of cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 60 degrees. So second problem also we have solved. Now moving towards third one. Copied question over here. Now we are going to substitute the values of trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Like sin 30, we are having sin 30 as 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus sin cosecant 60 2 by root 3 divided by cot 45 is 1 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus secant 30 is 2 by root 3. You can observe over here tan 45 and cot 45 we are getting 1, and for sin 45 and cos 45 we are getting 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, and here cosecant 60 and secant 30 we are getting 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Okay, now just remember this, 1 by 2 plus 1. First we will solve this two, cross multiplying 1 here. If there is nothing in denominator, there is always 1. Okay, 1 is the divisor. 1 into 1 plus this 1 into 2. In the denominator 2 into 1 we are writing minus 2 by root 3. By same here, first we will solve this 2. 1, nothing is there, we are writing 1. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 by 1 into 2 minus 2 by root 3. Now 1 into 1 we are getting 1 plus 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2 by 2 by root 3 by 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 by root 3. 1 plus 2, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 divided by 1. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Now here this 2 we will solve first. Same as cross multiplication, we have done 3 into root 3 minus 2 into 2 by denominators. We are multiplying 2 into root 3 because the denominators are different. Now 3 into root 3 minus 2 into 2 by 2 into root 3. Okay, same denominators are different, we can't take it common. Either we need to take LCM or we can do cross multiplication. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2 into root 3 by 3 into root 3, we can't. 3 into root 3 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2 into root 3, 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Now we will send this 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 in the numerator. So we need to write the reciprocal of it over here. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. Now the denominator goes in the numerator. 2 root 3 by this numerator will goes in the denominator minus 4. So this 2 we can cancel, 1 1, this and this. So we'll get the value 1. So therefore, so here I have copied the question is equals to 1. For third one we got 1 value. So 2 more problems are left. 2 tan 45, tan square 45 degrees. So we know that tan 45 is 1 whole square plus cos 30. What we are having in place of cos 30, we are having root 3 by 2. Square is there, whole square minus sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, by 2. Now we are going to solve this. 2 1 square is always 1 plus root 3 square root gets cancel. First we will separate this square, 2 square, okay, minus root 3 square by 2 square, separating the squares. Now 2 into 1 2 plus square root get cancel, 3 by 2 power 2 means 2 2s are 4 minus square root get cancel, 3 2 power 2 means 4. Here first we will solve this 2, okay, or else we can cancel this 2 because one is positive and one is negative, same numbers. 3 by 4 3 by 4, this 2 will cancel it, we will get answer 2. Now our last problem, secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60, sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30. Now we have to substitute the values. Whole square we will write, minus whole square we will write, this also whole square we will write, plus whole square. Secant 60 value we are having 2, tan 60 is root 3, and then sin 30 is 1 by 2, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, now we have to solve this. 2 square is 4, 2 2s are square root cancel, 3 by 1 square 1 by 2 square. Okay, we will first separate the squares, plus root 3 by 2. So this square will goes to both numerator and denominator. Now 4 minus 3 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4 plus square root get cancelled, 3 by 4. Okay, now same denominator is 1 as it is in the numerator. Here we are taking common denominator since denominators are same. Now 1 plus 3 we can add the numerators. Now 1 plus 3 4, 1 by 4 by 4. Okay, again I'll write over here is equals to 1 by 1 plus 3 4 by 4. 4 gets cancelled, 1 is the answer. For fifth one we got 1. Okay, if you are confused in this formulas, okay, trigonometric ratios of angles, then you can see my video which I have mentioned in the description box. Okay, if you like, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.